Joan and I actually had gotten married in a Jewish way in 2001. And Felicia, who I spoke about earlier, presided over it. And it was a beautiful ceremony. And it was really important for us to have a wedding. Partly because Joan's dad had just been diagnosed with lung cancer, and we didn't know how much longer he would live. We knew he would really love to walk his daughter down the aisle. So that was important. We knew from my parents they would be quelling beyond words. And I remember when I first came out to my parents, my dad had said, "Does this mean we don't get any grandchildren?" I said, "Oh, no, don't worry." But I think he was really excited that he got to be at his daughter's wedding. It was an amazing experience for him and my mom. But for us, it was really important that we sort of bring together these parts of our lives. Here we are, two middle-aged women who love each other, lived our lives as proud and out gay people for, over 20 years. We'd been together for almost 10 years at that point. And then bringing together that part and our Judaism parts of our lives, so important for us. And that our kids could benefit as well. And remember when we had the ketubah signing, everybody signed. So my parents, Joan's parents, Erwin and John, dads, Ezra and Rosie, our kids, and Felicia. And Rosie couldn't really write her name yet. She was just about 4 years old, and she wrote R-O-S-I-E, and the S was backwards. Really sweet.